Before we move on to creating content on our WordPress website, I want to quickly cover some general settings. There are quite a lot of settings in WordPress. Instead of doing one big tutorial that covers all the different settings, I will cover WordPress settings whenever they are relevant to that tutorial. Since our WordPress website is now set up and we have taken a look at navigating our WordPress dashboard, let's configure some general settings for our website. Go to Settings, General. The site title is the name of our website. This will be used throughout our WordPress site. With a fresh WordPress website, the page title for our homepage is our site title, hyphen, and then our tagline. If I go to mysite.com, I can see this in the tab title in my browser. In a Google search result, this would look something like this. So I'll change my site title and my tagline. If you don't want a tagline, you can leave this blank and only your site title will be used. If you have an SSL certificate set up on your website, I suggest changing this HTTP here to HTTPS. Don't worry if you don't know what an SSL certificate is. Most decent hosting companies come with one already set up on your website. It's basically the more secure way for visitors to access a website. You can test if you have one by going to your website and then in the address bar, type in HTTPS:/ to the start of your address. The page should still load normally, but in the address bar, I can now see that there's this lock icon at the start. This means that you have an SSL certificate and it's working. If you get an error or a page saying that it isn't secure, you can contact your hosting company about that. Google doesn't like websites that don't use SSL certificates, so it's best if you can get yours set up. Changing the address in this setting here will tell WordPress to always use the HTTPS version. Your administration email address, this will receive important notifications like system messages, new signups, any errors, and so on. So make sure this is an address you have access to and that you check. If you want to allow visitors to sign up to your website, check this Anyone Can Register option, and then you can set the role of new users. This is usually best left as subscriber. Subscribers can read content on your website, but they can't create or edit it, which is what you want. You don't want anyone being able to create or edit your content. Set your language and time zone. Choose how you would like dates and times to appear on your website. You can choose which day of the week is treated as the first day. I typically leave this set as Monday, but some people like to choose Sunday, so it's personal preference. Save those changes. And now there's one other setting that I want to show you. Under the reading settings, the last option is search engine visibility. Checking this option will ask Google and other search engines not to show your website in their search results just yet. This is usually good to enable while you are working on your website and you're not ready for visitors. As soon as you are ready though, make sure that this is unchecked. I'll cover the other settings on this page later in the course. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. To keep me motivated to make more free tutorials, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a friendly comment. And if you didn't like this video, no problem. Smash that dislike button, twice even, and let me know everything I did wrong in the comments. For more tutorials with WordPress and other website tutorials, check out thewebsiteteacher.com. I'll leave a link in the description below.